Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gourmet chocolate chip cookies. Start with the best ingredients. Room temperature unsalted butter, about 2 sticks or 226 grams, is crucial for a smooth dough. Combine 1 cup of packed light brown sugar with half a cup of granulated sugar for that perfect balance of chewiness and crispness. Don't forget premium chocolate chunks, around 1½ cups, and a pinch of flaky sea salt to elevate every bite. These foundational elements are key to achieving truly gourmet results. Achieving the right dough consistency is vital. First, cream your softened butter with both sugars for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and airy. This incorporates air, leading to a tender cookie. Next, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Gently fold in your dry ingredients, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt, just until combined. Finally, stir in your chocolate chips by hand. The secret to gourmet cookies often lies in patience. Chilling your dough for at least 24 hours or even up to 72 hours allows the flavors to deepen and the dough to hydrate, resulting in a richer, chewier cookie. Scoop uniform dough balls, about 2 tablespoons each, onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving 2 inches between them. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up properly and prevents them from breaking when you move them. For an extra touch of gourmet flair, sprinkle a tiny pinch of flaky sea salt over the warm cookies. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness and deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.